Good morning, students of class 4. Students, I'm sure all of you are fit and fine in your homes. Students, please stay indoor and keep yourself safe. Students, today I'll be continuing with lesson 7 of your Wordsworth English Reader book, Who is the Greatest? So, those of you who have got the Wordsworth English Reader book, please take out your books and turn to page number 56. Lesson 7, Who is the Greatest? Students, today I'll be reading this lesson, revising the word meanings and then explaining the lesson. Students, when I read this lesson, please listen to me carefully so that you also pronounce the words correctly. Lesson 7, Who is the Greatest? Page number 56. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a farmer. One day, on his way to work, the farmer saw a mouse being carried away by a cat in its mouth. He shouted at the cat. The cat became frightened, dropped the mouse and ran away. The farmer was very kind-hearted. He took the mouse home and put it in a box. He healed its wound. To his complete surprise, when he took it out of the box, the mouse miraculously changed into a beautiful girl. The girl was very gentle and sweet. The farmer took her in as his adopted daughter and looked after her with great care. Soon she became old enough to get married. The farmer said to her, "Now, my dear, I must find you a husband. Who do you want to marry? I will try my best to carry out your wish." The girl was pleased and answered, "I want to marry the greatest one in this universe." The farmer thought that the sun was the greatest one in this universe. So he said, "I will get you married to the sun." The farmer went to the sun and asked him to marry his daughter. The sun replied, "I am not the greatest being. Look at the cloud that covers me and hides my light. He is stronger than me." The farmer went to the cloud and asked him to marry his daughter. The cloud replied, "I am not the greatest one. There's somebody stronger than me. It is the wind which tosses me as he likes." The farmer then went to the wind, but he answered, "Oh, I am not the greatest. The mountain is stronger than me. It is so high that it stops me from going to different places." The farmer went to the mountain, but the mountain replied, "I'm too old to marry your daughter. Look at the mouse, which makes hole on my sides and live there whether I like it or not. My strength does not frighten him. Thus, the mouse is the greatest one in this universe. The farmer was delighted to hear that the mouse was the greatest creature in the universe. He put his adopted daughter into the box again, where she changed back into a mouse. He got her married to the mouse and they lived happily ever after. Now students, about this story, who is the greatest? This story is a French African folk tale. ये बेटा एक French African folk tale है that began in one of the earlier French colonies in North Africa. और ये folk tale बेटा कहाँ से start हुई? बहुत पहले जब नॉर्थ अफ्रीका में फ्रेंच कॉलोनीज थी वहां पे ये folk tale start हुई. And over time this story has been passed on from one generation to the other. And now the story has been spread throughout the world. So students, this was the lesson. Now I'll revise the word meanings. Students, the first word is far away. Far away means far off or distant. Something which is very far, जो बहुत दूर हो. Distant, हमसे बहुत दूर. So you can write any one of the meaning, either far off or distant. So far away means far off or distant. Far away, far off or distant means something which is very far. The second word is healed, and healed means cured. At times somebody gets hurt, किसी को चोट लग जाती है, and over the time taking medicine, supplying ointment, वो जो इंजुरी है वो धीरे 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 ठीक होती है. एंड उस ठीक होने को बेटा क्या बोलते हैं? हील्ड और क्योर. सो हील्ड मीन्स क्योर. हील्ड मीन्स क्योर. देन द थर्ड वर्ड इज वूंड्स. वूंड्स मीन्स इंजुरीज. बेटा जो चोट लगती है, जो घाव लगता है, उसको वूंड्स बोलते हैं या इंजुरीज. वूंड्स मीन्स इंजुरीज. वूंड्स, injuries. Then the fourth word is miraculously. That means extraordinarily. Something which is extra from the ordinary. जो हम सोच भी नहीं सकते, चमत्कार से कुछ होना. That is known as miraculously. Now, in real life, we cannot imagine a mouse turning into a beautiful girl. This happened miraculously in the story, isn't it? It was like a miracle. एक चमत्कार ही था कि a mouse turned into a girl. Real life it happens? No, it does not happen. But in the story, the mouse, it changed into a beautiful girl. That was miraculously, extraordinary. Otherwise, this is not possible without a miracle. Miracle means chamatkar. So, now the fifth word is adopted. Adopted means to bring up another person's child as one's own. बेटा किसी दूसरे के चाइल्ड को अपना बच्चा बना लेना and उसको बड़ा करना, पालना, that is known as adopted. Even the child does not know कि ये मेरे real parents नहीं. At times it happens so. So adopted means to bring up somebody else's child and then raise like your own child. That is known as adopted. Then students, the sixth word is pleased, and pleased means happy. खुश, बहुत खुश. Pleased, happy. Pleased, happy. Pleased, happy. Then The seventh word is being. Being means living thing. Anything which has got life. Anything which has got life is known as being. Beta, it can be a tree, a fish, an insect, anything. An insect is also a living being. A fish is also a living being. A tree is also a living being. A butterfly is also a living being. An elephant is also a living being. बेटा वो animal हो, insect हो, bird हो, tree हो, plant हो, sapling which has got life. Anything which has got life is known as being, living thing or creature. ये तीनों words के बेटा same meaning है. Anything which has got life, जो जिंदा है, जिसमें life है, उसको हम being भी बोलते हैं, उसको हम living thing भी बोलते हैं और उसको हम creature भी बोलते हैं. So anything which has got life is known as being, means living thing or creature. The eighth word is tosses, and tosses means to throw off. कुछ भी चीज जिसको उछाल देना. So tosses means to throw off. You toss the coin to know the head or the tail, isn't it? So tosses means उछाल देना. To throw off. The ninth word is delighted. Delighted means pleased. And what does pleased means? Happy. Delighted means pleased and pleased means happy. Then the last word is creature. And creature means living thing. Creature means living thing, anything which has got life. That is known as a creature or living thing. Students, these were the word meanings. But there's a phrase given at bottom of page number 56, and the phrase is carry out your wish, which means to fulfill a desire. The phrase is carry out a wish, which means to fulfill a desire. Carry out a wish means to fulfill a desire. Carry out a wish means to fulfill a desire. इच्छा पूरी करना. That means इच्छा पूरी करना. Your parents carry out your wish. Parents आपकी सारी इच्छाएं पूरी करते हैं. They fulfill all your desire. Whatever you want, parents get it for you. So carry out your wish means to fulfill your desire. So students, these were the word meanings and the phrase of lesson 7. Now I am going to explain this lesson. But students, I am sure all of you must have written the word meanings in your English notebook, and below the word meanings please write this phrase also, so that you know the meaning, you remember the meaning, and you need to learn to keep in mind the meanings. Now students, I am going to explain lesson 7. Now students, before I start explaining, you must know that all things of nature have got their own importance. बेटा nature में जितनी भी चीजें हैं सबकी अपनी strength और importance होती है. Wind की अपनी importance है, cloud की अपनी importance है, sun की अपनी importance है. Sun gives us light, isn't it? Wind से if अगर wind नहीं होगी तो बहुत problem होगी. Wind produces electricity, isn't it? Then wind makes the cloud rain, and clouds, if they don't give us rain, we'll be without water, and we cannot survive without water. Nature में if you look at an insect, हर किसी की everything has got its own strength and importance. तो हमको कभी भी किसी को inferior या superior नहीं समझना चाहिए, isn't it? So please keep this in mind. Now I am going to explain this lesson. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a farmer. Beta, once upon a time means long back. Kabhi. There was a farmer who lived in a faraway land. एक farmer था who lived in a distant far off land. बहुत दूर कहीं एक farmer रहता था. One day, on his way to work, the farmer saw a mouse being carried away by a cat in its mouth. And now one day, the farmer was going to his work. And what did the farmer see? He saw a mouse being carried away by a cat in its mouth. What did the farmer see? कि एक cat थी जो एक माउस को अपने माउथ में, अपने मुंह में कैरी करके the cat was going. What did the farmer see? That a mouse was being carried away by a cat in its mouth. Cat ने माउस को अपने माउथ में पकड़ के रखा था and it was taking it somewhere so that the cat could later on eat that mouse. He shouted at the cat when the farmer saw this, that the cat was carrying a mouse in its mouth. What did the farmer do? He shouted at the cat. उसने cat पे जोर से shout किया. He shouted at the cat. The cat became frightened, dropped the mouse and ran away. Now what happened? When the farmer, he shouted at the cat, जब वो जोर से चिल्लाया cat के ऊपर, when he saw that the cat was carrying the mouse in its mouth, what did the farmer do? He shouted loudly. So the cat got frightened. Cat जो है डर गई. And out of fright, what did the cat do? She dropped the mouse. Cat ने mouse को वहीं drop कर दिया, गिरा दिया, है ना? And then she ran away because she was frightened when the farmer shouted. So once upon a time, in a distant land, there lived a farmer. And one day, when the farmer was going for his work, what did the farmer see? He saw that a cat was carrying a mouse in its mouth. When the farmer saw this, what did the farmer do? He shouted at the cat. And when the cat heard him shouting, the cat got frightened. जो cat थी वो बेटा डर गई. What did the cat do? She dropped the mouse and then she ran away. Otherwise, अगर farmer shout नहीं करता, what would have happened? The cat would have carried the mouse somewhere and would have eaten it. But when the farmer shouted, the cat got frightened. She dropped the mouse and then she ran away. The farmer was very kind-hearted. Beta जो farmer था, he was very kind-hearted. Now what do you mean by kind-hearted? A person whose heart is very kind. जो बेटा सब पे दया करता है, सबकी हेल्प करता है, ऐसे को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Kind-hearted. So which type of the person was the farmer? The farmer was very kind-hearted person. Because उसको माउस पे kindness आई, तभी तो उसने क्या किया? He shouted at the cat dropped the mouse and ran away. So the mouse life was saved. Who saved the mouse life? The farmer saved the mouse. Because the farmer was kind-hearted, what did the farmer do now? He took the mouse home and put it in a box. वो mouse को अपने घर लेके गया. Because उसके दिल में बहुत दया थी. He was very kind-hearted. So he took that mouse जिसको cat ने drop किया था and took that mouse to his home. And when he reached home, what did he do? He put that mouse in a box. उसको एक box में रख दिया mouse को. He healed its wounds. अब बेटा, the cat was carrying the mouse in its mouth and cat के, have you seen a cat's teeth? Cat has got sharp teeth. बहुत sharp teeth होते हैं cat के. अब कैट ने, क्योंकि माउस को फुल स्ट्रेंथ के संग ग्रैब किया हुआ था, पकड़ा हुआ था माउथ में, तो माउस को बहुत ज़्यादा वूंड्स, बहुत ज़्यादा चोट लगी हुई थी. सो व्हाट डिड द फार्मर डू? बिकॉज द फार्मर वाज काइंड हार्टेड, व्हाट डिड द फार्मर डू? ही टुक द माउस होम एंड केप्ट इट इन अ बॉक्स. और वहाँ पे उसके माउस के जितनी भी इंजुरीज थी, वूंड्स थे, इंजुरीज, जितनी भी चोट लगी थी कैट के टीथ से, सबको फार्मर ने हील किया. मस्ट हैव अप्लाइड सम मेडिसिन और समथिंग सो दैट the mouse had recovered. To his complete surprise, when he took it out of the box, the mouse miraculously changed into a beautiful girl. Now what happened? Farmer तो उस mouse को घर लेके आया था, which had got wounds because of the cat's sharp teeth, है ना? फिर उसने उसको बॉक्स में रखा माउस को, उसके बाद माउस को ट्रीट किया, so that ग्रेजुअली मेडिसिन अप्लाई की होंगी, ऑइंटमेंट लगाया होगा, सो दैट कि उसके जो वूंड्स हैं वो रिकवर कर जाए. एंड आफ्टर सम टाइम द माउस रिकवर्ड. एंड व्हाट हैपेंड टू हिज कंप्लीट सरप्राइज? फार्मर वाज मतलब एक्सट्रीमली सरप्राइज व्हेन ही टुक दैट माउस आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. व्हाट हैपेंड? जो माउस था, इट चेंज miraculously into a beautiful girl. अब फार्मर तो माउस को लाया था, माउस को बहुत सारी चोट लगी थी. So what did the farmer do? He healed it. And when the wounds were healed, the farmer took the mouse out of the box. That time what happened? The mouse miraculously, कोई सोच भी नहीं सकता है, can a mouse turn into a beautiful girl? No, na? But it happened in the story. That mouse, it turned into a beautiful girl. The girl was very gentle and sweet. बेटा जो वो गर्ल, जो माउस जिस गर्ल में चेंज हुआ था, वो जो गर्ल थी, she was very gentle. Gentle in nature, sweet in nature. That means that girl was very gentle, very soft and soft to talk, है ना? Then must be very obedient. So that's the reason the word gentle has been used for the girl. So the girl was very gentle, and sweet does not mean only physical appearance. Sweet means sweet in nature also. So that girl, she was very gentle and sweet. The farmer took her in as his adopted daughter and looked after her with great care. Now when the mouse changed into that beautiful girl, and the beautiful girl was very gentle and sweet, what did the farmer do? He took that girl as his adopted daughter. Farmer ने उस beautiful girl को अपनी daughter means बेटी, अपनी बेटी बना लिया. Then he took great care of her. और उस farmer ने उस girl की बहुत केयर की, बहुत देखभाल की. And raised her as his own daughter. अपनी बेटी के जैसे उसको रेस किया. Soon she became old enough to get married. अब gradually time passed, isn't it? And that girl, she kept on growing, बड़ी होती गई, and she became old enough to get married. इतनी बड़ी हो गई कि अब उसकी मैरिज होने का टाइम आ गया है. सबकी मैरिज होती है ना बड़े हो जाने पे. बॉयज ऑल्सो गेट मैरिड एंड गर्ल्स ऑल्सो गेट मैरिड, isn't it? So that girl, she also grew old enough that now she was ready to be married. Now the farmer, he treated her as her own daughter. So he also thought that its time has come that this beautiful girl should be married. The farmer said to her, "Now my dear, I must find you a husband." That farmer को लगा now the girl has grown up. Now it's time to get her married. So what did the farmer tell his daughter, adopted daughter? That I must find you a husband. कि अब तुम्हारे लिए मुझे एक husband find करना पड़ेगा. Isn't it? For getting married, people search for husbands. If a boy wants to get married, he'll search for wives, and if the wife wants to get married, she'll search for a husband. So the farmer started searching a husband for his adopted daughter. Who do you want to marry? I'll try my best to carry out your wish. The farmer asked his daughter. कि who do you want to marry? कि तुम किससे शादी करना चाहती हो? I will try my best to carry out your wish. And the farmer told his daughter कि I will try my level best. मैं पूरी कोशिश करूंगा कि तुम्हारी जो भी इच्छा है उसको मैं पूरी कर दूंगा. Now the girl had grown up and it was time for the farmer to get her married. So he started searching a husband for her. Then he told his daughter that he would carry out her wish and he will try to fulfill all what she desired. फार्मर ने बोला कि वो पूरी कोशिश करेगा कि जो भी उसकी इच्छा है उसको फार्मर पूरा करे. The girl was pleased. Now on hearing this, the girl was very happy. Girl को जब पता चला कि उसके फादर उसके लिए हस्बैंड ढूंढ रहे हैं and the father also promised her कि whatever she wanted that the farmer will give her. He'll give her the best. He'll try his level best to give her the best. So the girl was pleased and answered, I want to marry the greatest one in this universe. Girl ने farmer को क्या बोला अपने father को कि I want to marry, मैं उसी से शादी करूंगी जो इस यूनिवर्स में, इस पूरे यूनिवर्स में जो सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट है. मतलब पूरे यूनिवर्स में जो सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट होगा, I want to get married to that person. What did the girl say? कि इस पूरे the one who is the greatest in this universe, I want to get married to that person. The greatest one in this universe, जो पूरे यूनिवर्स में सबसे ग्रेट वन होगा, I want to get married to that one. The farmer thought that the sun was the greatest one in this universe. Now, what did the farmer think when his daughter, she told him that she wanted to get married to the one who's the greatest in the universe. So what did the farmer think? The farmer thought that the sun was the greatest in the universe. Why sun? Why did the farmer think so? Can anyone guess? Farmer ने ऐसा क्यों सोचा? Sun is considered to be the most powerful, है ना? It gives us light and without light, life is not possible. So farmer thought कि इस पूरे यूनिवर्स में सबसे पावरफुल कौन है बेटा? Sun. So the farmer thought that the sun was the most powerful one in this universe. The farmer told his daughter that she is old enough now that he's going to find a husband for her. Then he also told his daughter that he will try his level best to carry out her wish. That means to fulfill her desire, what she wanted. So the girl was very happy. Girl बहुत खुश हुई कि जब farmer ने उसने ऐसा पूछा. And the girl said that she wanted to get married to the greatest one in this universe. कि इस पूरे यूनिवर्स में जो सबसे greatest होगा उससे ही she wanted to get married. So on hearing this, what did the farmer think? That who was the greatest one? The sun. Farmer को क्या लगा कि पूरे यूनिवर्स में सबसे greatest कौन है बेटा? The sun. So he said, I will get you married to the sun. As he had promised his daughter that कि इस पूरे यूनिवर्स मतलब he'll try to find the best for his daughter and he would try to fulfill all her desire, all her desires. And when the daughter said that she wanted to get married to the greatest one on the universe, so what did the farmer think? The farmer thought that the sun was the greatest one in this universe. So he said to his daughter that I will get you married to the sun. फार्मर को लगा कि सन पूरे यूनिवर्स में सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट है, सबसे पावरफुल है. सो ही टोल्ड हिज डॉटर दैट आई विल गेट यू मैरिड टू द सन. सो The farmer went to the sun. When the girl said that she wanted to marry the greatest one in this universe, the farmer had promised his daughter that he will try to fulfill all her desire. So the farmer thought that the sun was the greatest one in this universe. So he told his daughter that he'll get her married to the sun, and then the farmer went to the sun. Students, that's all for today. The rest of the lesson I'll be explaining in my next video. Thank you, students. Have a good day ahead.